To use the gas bottle in your California 6.1 Ocean or Surf, open the tailgate and the cupboard doors on the left. Remove the middle and bottom shelves. And unscrew the gas bottle storage area in the base of the cupboard. Turn on the gas supply at the bottle. Next, turn on the gas at the isolator valve located under the 2-burner stove. Finally, use the ignition on the stove to turn on the burners. Remember to turn off the isolation valve when the cooker is not in use, and turn off the gas completely at the bottle when in transit.